Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Ooh, I almost slipped there. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I install the timing cover, oil lines, drain, and feed. What tool I use to take off that harmonic balancer, the pulley, and give you a sneak preview of it running. Another one. Oh, it's cold. I cannot wait till I get back in the South. I'm up here in Pennsylvania, and there's a shit ton of snow. For those of you guys that are just joining us, you can check up here or right here for our previous video of us installing the turbo, the log, and the manifold, and also the intro to the truck. Intro to our budget build. All right, let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do that front timing cover. If you're just now joining us, yesterday we did our log manifold, crossover, and turbo. So today we're going to do the front timing cover and oil lines so we can see if we can get a test run. Alright, first thing we got to do is drain the radiator and remove that fan shroud. There's a drain right there. Pull it all the way out. Let that drain out all the way. Now we're gonna go ahead and take off this fan shroud. It's two 10mm bolts. That one out. I'm excited to see what we can do with this piece of junk. All you do is pull this straight up. This is not going back on the truck. We have actually gotten an electric fan for it. That way it gives us plenty of room. That just becomes junk. And then this lower fan shroud, we're gonna have to take off this fan first, which that's gonna be fun. So what I do is I get the GM spanner tool, and I take my little makeshift breaker bar. This ratchet broke on me a couple years back. It doesn't loosen or tighten, it's just stuck. So put a bar on it, pop it in right there. I take one of these adjustable wrench, put it on the nut. That's it. It came off pretty easily. There goes my wrench. I think this tool is maybe like 20 bucks. It definitely comes in handy when it comes to taking this stupid fan off. Then you just spin it counterclockwise. Like I said, this isn't going back on there, so got a new Frisbee. Doesn't really work as a Frisbee. All right, now that we got the fan off, should be able to pull this bottom shroud straight up. And then all we got to do is get this water pump off. That should give us access to the front timing cover. We'll pop that off, install the new one, install the drain line, and then we'll install the pressure line, which I'll show you where we're gonna run that. But first, before we even do any of that, we're gonna take off this hose right here, the lower radiator hose, and both the heater core hoses. Sorry guys, my battery died on my camera. Only thing I've done so far is take off the tensioner and out of socket and drop my camera. Alright, there you have it. There's the front timing cover. I'm going to try my best to get this pulley off and timing cover off without having to take off the radiator. And look at all that mud, see? Previous owner did a lot of mud, and it sucks for me because the whole underneath of the car, underneath the truck is covered in mud. I might need a rechargeable gun. Yep, I might need to recharge this. Alright, I already got it loose. Just gonna use the gun to pull it the rest of the way out. What I got on there right now is OEM Tools harmonic balancer puller. Seems to work pretty good. Like I said, I wanted to do this without taking the radiator out. The only downside to that is I can't use my gun. But this is coming off pretty easily. That's it. Very easy. This is the tool right here. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it in the description. One step closer. So it really started raining and I wanted to hurry up. What you have to do is you have to, well, I had to anyway, I had to notch the power steering bracket right there for the cap that's on that other fitting to clear. But I got it on there, and we're gonna do the drain line going from the turbo to the timing cover, and then we're gonna do the feed line. We're gonna do the feed line. Let's see if I can show you. I might have to climb under there. This is the piece right here. We're gonna use tap into where the oil cooler is. It's also another piece made by ICT Billet. See it. Alright, so we got our feed line plumbed in. That's the feed line that goes to the oil port on the driver's side of the block. And we're going to reroute that line back behind there and probably use some zip ties. Now, we are going to get our drain line together. We got oil. We got oil lines plumbed up, and we also got our V-band for our log. We got that. I don't know if you can see it. We got that installed.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, remember we were talking about the outros for the videos?
Uh-huh.
Hey, I think I'm just gonna tell them just to like it and subscribe.
Why?
Cause it's simple.
But I specifically said not to do that.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do it.
Please don't.
I'm gonna do it.
Why? It's awful.
Why?
Because it's the same thing that everybody does. Everybody knows.
Well, I'm gonna do it anyway, okay? Hello?
I know what you're doing.
Okay, so as my wife said, she told me not to say like the channel, subscribe, whatever, so I'm not gonna say it. I'm not. Y'all know what to do. Alright, later.